What's going on, guys? I was just reading about how much the VSCO Pro costs. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get VSCO Pro for free. So I found out how to do it. It's like the premium membership. It's super cool, but I discovered a website where we can get it for free. So it's called zoomods.com. They're basically having you download a modded version, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So just type in VS, press on it, and download it. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a verification we got to do. We got to download some apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're also from the real app store, so you guys don't have to worry about any third-party downloads, which I know nobody wants to do. So these are straight up app store apps. So let's go through the process, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So here we go. It's going to load, and it's going to say, like, please install some apps. It's going to be around 2 apps. I'm going to show you 4 different apps, so just download 2 apps. So there's going to be TikTok, golf game, Family Island. I'm in the US, so if you're in Japan, if you're in Russia, if you're in Germany, it's going to be 4 apps that are totally different. I don't live in those countries. I don't know what the apps are going to be, but I'm in the US on an iPhone. So if you're in the US on an Android, I'm not sure if you're going to see these ones, but you just press tap to install, and then it will take you straight to that where you just download the app. Now the problem is a lot of people don't actually read the instructions below the apps. So you can see TikTok says run for 30 seconds, then we got the golf, it says reach level 10, same with Family Islands. But some people just download them and they don't do anything on the app, and then they're like, oh well, why didn't the VSCO mod download? Well, you didn't do anything on the app, you didn't complete the instructions. It literally says follow the instructions, it says unlock instructions. So I did the Family Island one. I had to reach level 10. It was pretty easy, so I think it will be easy for you guys as well. They do actually have an AI down here you can talk to, which is kind of cool. So if you guys are really confused, then that should help you out.